Welcome friends to a very interesting module, how to memorize maps. Maps are very important part in a geography and you should know how to memorize them. The technique we are going to use in this module is picking up the keywords, forming a story out of them and making the picture a very vivid or abstract one. In this way you can remember maps. Today we are going to study about the seven sisters of the Indian states which are called the northeastern states. They are Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. You can visualize the map as shown and see the shape of the map as given. We will start with the state Assam. After the Assam, you can see the state below Assam is Meghalaya, then the Tripura, then Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, and the last state above the Assam is Arunachal Pradesh. So we will make the story as lively and vivid. We see a Assam, we see an ass, he ate a mango. So what happens after he ate a mango? As mango means arm in Hindi, so you see the key word as. So after eating the mango, he has a lot of stomach ache. So he takes some disprin. So disprin correlates with the word dispute. Then the doctor advised him to go to a hill station. So he goes to the abode of the cloud, which is known as the Meghalaya. And there he finds that it is too cold and freezing. And he does not like the place. So he tries roaming here and there and tries to find a place which is very warm and secure. So on finding it, he finds a tree below and he lands on the tree. As soon as he lands on the tree, he enters the tree house and finds that there's some palace in it and quite a few palaces are locked, as tala in Hindi means lock. Or you can also say that he finds the palace has lot of artwork. And Tripura, the word tree, it resonates with the word tri, tree. So in this way, finding the keywords, you can make your own stories and move forward. The next state after Tripura is Mizoram, where the donkey finds the god Ram. Or you can also say that he finds Mizo man. And the Mizo man gives him a beautiful shawl which is woven, as Aswal's rhyming word is shawl. So taking the gift from Ram, he wears the shawl. As soon as he wears the shawl, he tries to see some money in front of him. And he tries to collect some money, as money is very important in life. So impal, the key word is important, or pal is in any moment if I can get some money. As soon as the donkey tries to pick some money, after he picks quite a few, some snakes or the nags of the land come to guard it, because you cannot take anything excess from this land. And it is a land full of snakes, so it is called as Nagaland. And no mother would ever allow her child to enter into such a land which is full of snakes. So Nagaland means land of snakes, and Kohima means no mother will allow their child to go there. After this, what happens is he returns back to his own state, where he finds a person named Arun or Arun Jaitley, who is trying to build a house with bricks called as Itanagar. So you can see, as soon as he lands on the earth, he finds a person, Arun Jaitley, inaugurating a new house made up of eats, or you can say he is inaugurating an Itanagar. If the story is very vivid and weird, you can remember all these states. Another method of remembering the seven sisters is by the mnemonic method. You can collect every single letter from every state and form a mnemonic, as I have formed here. Mizo and Manipur M, Arunachal Pradesh A, Nagaland N, the word becomes man. Assam, Tripura, Meghalaya, the word sounds ATM. So Mizo man went to ATM. By remembering this mnemonic too, you can also remember the seven sister. Whenever I say Assam, you remember Disprin, the capital Dispur pops up. Whenever I say Manipur, you feel money is important, so you remember Impal. Whenever I say Nagaland, you remember it is Kohima. So in this way, forward or backward, you can remember all the seven sisters correctly. Thank you.